In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Soundtrap. We'll walk through signing in, opening your project in the studio, and inviting collaborators using a shareable link. By the end, you'll be ready to bring teammates into your session quickly and safely. Start by heading to the Soundtrap site for music makers in your browser. This is the landing page where you can access the online studio. If you already have a Soundtrap account, you're all set to sign in. Click Login. On the sign in page, choose Login with Google. This lets you use your Google credentials to access your Soundtrap account. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you want to use and approve any prompts that appear. Once that's done, you'll be brought back into Soundtrap, logged in and ready to go. From the home area, click Projects. This takes you to your library of Soundtrap projects so you can choose the one you want to collaborate on. Find the project you want to share, then click Studio to open it. The studio is where all the tracks, edits, and mixing tools live, and it's also where you'll generate an invite for collaborators. Inside the studio, look toward the top of the interface and click Invite. This opens the collaboration panel. Here you have two options. You can invite people by entering their email addresses, or you can create a shareable link. For this walkthrough, we'll use the shareable link, which is fast and convenient for inviting teammates without typing their details. Create the link, then copy it to your clipboard. Now you can share that link with your teammate using your preferred communication method. When they open the link and sign in, they'll be able to join the project in the studio and start collaborating with you in real time. A few tips to keep things smooth and secure. Only share the link with people you trust, because anyone with the link and a compatible account can access the project. If you need tighter control, use the email option instead. Keep an eye on who has access in the same invite panel and adjust permissions as needed. Make sure autosave is on, and remind collaborators to use headphones to avoid feedback and messy recordings in shared sessions. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, and created a shareable link so your teammate can join you in Soundtrap. Save your work, keep your link secure, and enjoy creating together.